Hi, this is Amanda with Realtyna, and today I'll be showcasing the Open House add-on and explaining what it does in more detail. So you may want to capture more leads by providing them with informative data on your website. The Open House add-on allows you to add multiple open house dates to a listing. Or if you have an IDX integrated, you can pull this open house data from your MLS provider and keep your website automatically up to date with accurate information. By default, each open house listing stands out to make sure your prospects won't miss the dates. You can capture more leads using the Open House add-on forms, where your prospects can ask to get more information or get notified whenever this property updates their open house dates. You can access the Open House add-on whenever you post a new listing or edit your existing one. Go to Specialties, select Open House, input your open house dates and any comments if needed.